Ahead of the Edo 2024 governorship election, the People's Democratic Party (PDP) don carry their campaign from Edo Central enter Edo South Senatorial District as dem dey continue to mobilize and gather Edo people to support and vote for their candidates Dr. Aswa Ighodalo and Osadion Oge Esquire. The campaign council waka enter Ovia local government area where plenty crowd gathered to welcome them. Former governor and APC chieftain Chief Igbinedion follow Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki talk to the crowd as dem yarn the people say make them vote for continuity, say Edo State no fit afford to go backward under another administration.
This rain coming down on us is a shower of blessings.
Showers of blessings.
It's a shower of agriculture.
Showers of prosperity.
It's a shower of security.
Showers of progress.
What will they find? Not be food, not be work, not be better for our children. That's not what we define for Edo. We don't want anybody when go take us back. We don't pass a barrel stage.
The PDP candidate Aswa Ighodalo for his speech come advise said the APC candidate not suppose wish Edo people bad even if he not agree with the current administration and PDP candidates.
See, Edo best, somebody come say one do Edo worst. Even if you don't like Obaseki, if you don't like Ighodalo, if you don't like Oge, at least you go like your people. The thing way better for your people, you want to turn them into bad thing. Don't be useless hatred with that. No, someone say shop right there, won't make a shop dead. How? Don't be saying something good for your people, you go continue am. Now the one way no good, you go begin improve. Don't be so that they do am. One of my brother come there and say we want water, but I don't get you don't get the water. We go walk, whether so no, we go walk.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Ovia Northeast local government area, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.